Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the human brain and exploring the intriguing topic of sexual dimorphism. That's a fancy way of saying that men and women's brains have some key differences, and these differences might influence how we think, feel, and behave. But before we jump into the science, let's be clear. This is not about proving one sex is better than the other. It's about understanding the beautiful diversity of the human brain and appreciating the unique strengths and perspectives each sex brings to the table. Disclaimer: this is a complex and nuanced topic with ongoing research. This video offers a brief overview and avoids oversimplification or making definitive claims about inherent differences in thinking due to sex. It emphasizes individual variability and avoids perpetuating harmful stereotypes. For decades, scientists have explored the fascinating topic of sex differences in the human brain. While the notion of men thinking differently from women might be tempting, the reality is far more intricate and nuanced. Let's delve into the science of sexual dimorphism in the brain, acknowledging both the variations and the commonalities. Brain basics. Structure. Men, on average, have larger brains than women. However, brain size doesn't necessarily translate to intelligence. More importantly, specific brain regions differ in size and connectivity between sexes. Function. Different brain regions are responsible for various functions like language, emotion, and spatial reasoning. Research suggests men tend to have more activity in brain regions associated with spatial tasks, while women show more activity in areas related to emotion and social cognition. Functional differences. Brain activation patterns. Studies using neuroimaging techniques show differences in brain activation patterns between men and women performing certain tasks. However, these differences often reflect different strategies for achieving the same outcome, not inherently different thought processes. Hormonal influences. Sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone can influence brain development and function throughout life. This adds another layer of complexity to understanding sex differences. Important caveats. Overlap and individual variability. Overlapping similarities are far greater than average differences. Generalizing about men and women risks ignoring the vast spectrum of individual cognitive styles and abilities. Nature versus nurture. The interplay between biological factors and environmental influences on brain development and function is complex and not fully understood. Avoiding stereotypes. Attributing specific behaviors or personality traits to sex can lead to harmful stereotypes and limit individual potential. Key differences. Corpus callosum. This bundle of nerve fibers connects the brain's hemispheres. It's generally larger in women, suggesting better communication between brain regions. Amygdala. This region processes emotions, and studies show women might have increased activity here, potentially contributing to their stronger emotional sensitivity. Hippocampus. This area is crucial for memory and learning. Men might have larger hippocampi, potentially contributing to better spatial memory. Prefrontal cortex. This region is involved in decision-making and planning. Both sexes show activity here, but men might have stronger connectivity, potentially influencing their more analytical approach. While some structural and functional differences exist between the brains of men and women, the focus should shift towards understanding individual variability and appreciating the remarkable diversity of human thought. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, and its functioning is influenced by a multitude of factors beyond sex. Let's celebrate the unique cognitive strengths and potential of every individual, regardless of their sex. Important caveats. Individuality. These are just average trends, and there's immense variability within each sex. Focusing on individual strengths and experiences is far more important than relying on stereotypes. Nature versus nurture. Biology plays a role, but environment, culture, and upbringing significantly impact how our brains develop and function. Oversimplification. Attributing complex behaviors solely to brain differences is dangerous and inaccurate. Many factors contribute to how we think and act. Conclusion. Understanding sexual dimorphism in the brain is fascinating, but it's crucial to approach it with nuance and respect for individual differences. It's not about creating divisions, but celebrating the unique strengths and perspectives that men and women bring to the world. Let's use this knowledge to build bridges of understanding and create a more inclusive and equitable society. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.